Self-development has always been the product of sacrifice, and these three things should be on your mind when thinking about self-development. Choice, chance, sacrifice. When trying to build self-development, the long-awaited movie is here, is out, Breaking Point.
Making me shy.
Wow. See, I would like to let you know that when once this money is being paid, then I get my own part of share. I'll tell you that I will leave it for a state.
States? No, I miss states. Like seriously, you want to leave me and travel to the states? You can't try that. I said I will hold you on your waist. I'm going nowhere.
That is not what I meant. When once you get my own share, I don't go without you. I will leave it for the state. I'm going with you. After we got married, I will go for the state.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're sure?
100%.
See, what will happen? I just graduate my heart. When I get my own share of the money too, 50-50 we will share it.
Wow.
As a good wife to be, as you say though.
That's good of you. Now you're
Appreciate.
speaking. Yeah, I love you. In fact,
Love
give me
you
a
too,
hug.
babe.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Wait. You choose one. You want here or you want here?
Give me 360.
No, you will choose one. Either here or here. I'll give you like this.
Oh,
Like
that's
this.
good.
Like